Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy Vlogmas day day 6. Yeah, I am getting beside myself, but happy Vlogmas day 6. Today is Monday. I have absolutely no plans today, but I am on my way to the coffee shop. I have not been to the coffee shop since I started working from home, and I think I brought you guys with me the last time I went to the coffee shop, but I'm going to the coffee shop today to edit Vlogmas day 5. To get out the house, I have a different scenery for editing today. I'm probably going to spend about 2-3 hours there, well, at least until the video uploads. And then I might go to Carter's today because I kind of want to buy my baby something today. I don't know, we'll see on the Carter's, but definitely going to that's where I'm headed to now, the coffee shop. I'm also going to stop at the grocery store because I do want to cook tonight. I have not cooked in a while, and I have not eaten a good meal in a while. I've been eating out a lot, and I hate that for me and baby. So I'm definitely cooking tonight. And then at 6 we have our first parenting class. I'm super excited about this. Like, y'all just don't know. Like, I'm just super excited to be a mother. I'm super excited to be pregnant, to be having a baby, to be experiencing all of these things. So we do have a parenting class tonight at 6. It is via Zoom though. This one is via Zoom through the hospital, but we have more in January. Those actually have to go there. The ones in January are like lactation, birthing classes, Lamaze classes, hypno-baby classes, like things like that. But the one today is called Parenting 101. I'm super excited about it, y'all. I'm super excited about it. But yeah, I just wanted to open up today's vlog and let you guys know what's on the agenda today. Like I said, I have like literally nothing like actually planned except for the parenting class tonight. So we'll just see how the day goes. But I'll talk to you guys when we get to the coffee shop.
You can make a movie, do you how you do it, even though you're mine. You like a groupie, I just want the water, want to flex Brianna. I come to this diner, then retire mom, take the pain away. I've been stressed out lately, roll a paper, babe. Mama tryna pay me, I know I made mistakes. I just found my L's and come back in a major way. Hey, hey.
Okay, guys, so we are officially done at the at the what that thing called, the coffee shop. It is currently 2:30. It is currently 2:30, and I've been there since probably 10 o'clock, and I finished editing Vlogmas day 5. I uploaded it to YouTube and scheduled it for it to go live. I'm out of breath. I made the reel to go with Vlogmas day 5. I also started doing my baby shower what's it called, mood board, vision board, whatever you want to call it. I started doing that because I've decided that I don't want a theme for my baby shower. I kind of just want to do like a color scheme, like a color aesthetic, and not so much a theme. So I started working on a mood board so I can send it to my decorator and she knows exactly what I want, or if it's not exactly like the pictures that I sent her, at least close to it, so we're not just all over the place, you know what I'm saying? So I did that all within 10, 11, 12, 12, 1, 2, 4 hours. I've been at the coffee shop for 4 hours, and I'm about to head to the grocery store, and then I'm about to head home. So I decided that I am gonna cook tonight, and I'm thinking about cooking Salisbury steak. Like, that's what I'm in the mood for, some Salisbury steak. But I want Salisbury steak like from school, like not the big thick hamburger ones that we be making at home, baby. I want the thin ones that's like from school. So I'm gonna try to make that tonight. I'm most likely gonna film it because I didn't get much footage in the coffee shop. And then the only thing left to do tonight is the parenting class. So like I said, I'm about to head to the grocery store and get my groceries. I'm not taking y'all with me because I just don't feel like it. So I'm gonna see you guys when I get home. I'm surprised my wine curls are still holding, but I should have known because they do that with curly hair. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna see y'all when we get home. Peace.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. Do some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You're so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Said contact me, a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some simple change, got me a war in my mind. Let go of me, think he was holding me. Choose words, what if you pick up in front of me? All the while, I'm with my own feelings now. Still wanna try, still believe it. But there's always always inside. Good and living through my mind. Only on my fears, my name, my patience are disappear. If you let me feel like Jericho, feel like Joe, we lost this shit. Got on my cross to bear alone night. Ooh, way to live, way to kill the mood. Now you like that seeking, ooh, yeah, baby, heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep some moves, this shit first of me. Still worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. So contact me, the nuisance is just urgent. Tryna make some simple change, got me a war in my mind. Let go of me, he was holding me. Choose the words, what if you pick up in front of me? All the while, I wait my own feelings now. Still wanna try, still believe it. But then, always sunny inside. Good day living in my mind. Gotta get right, tryna free my mind before the end of the world. There's no accident, miss no mistakes. I choose not to respond. I regret, just pretend shit never happened. Half of us lay in place that are you. It's in the present. Half of us chasing fountains of youth, and it's in the present.
So, Pregnancy 101. So, we're going to talk tonight about a lot about nutrition, about things like weight gain and precautions of pregnancy, your guidelines and recommendations for exercise in pregnancy, and some things you might experience as a pregnant person, discomforts that you might feel, when to call your doctor, and then a lot of different things that we can offer you here at Women's Hospital.
It's cold outside.